Astrophysicist urges humanity to stay on Earth and avoid space exploration. Astrophysicist Paul Sutter from Ohio State University urged humanity to stay on Earth and not go beyond the atmosphere if only we want to be alive and healthy. Space is a nasty place to avoid, the scientist wrote in a book, How to Die in Space, a guide to dangerous astrophysical phenomena, published just a few days after the launch of astronauts onto the ISS by SpaceX. The author describes all the dangers that await people and spaceships in space. He begins with a story about what will happen if the spacesuit suddenly ceases to protect a person from the vacuum. Science fiction films love to portray people exploding in space, but this will not happen. Instead, the fluids inside the body will expand, the body will double in size, and the person will have time to feel all this before death. He says, if you get to one of the planets in our solar system, you will be very disappointed, he continues. Mercury is so close to the sun that it will roast you alive. Venus has a suffocating atmosphere that can melt lead. On Mars, you will find only carbon dioxide. And on Jupiter, hurricanes rage that the Earth never dreamed of. Sutter then describes many other dangers. For example, a tiny asteroid accelerating at 160,000 kilometers per hour can destroy a spacecraft. Solar flares irradiate astronauts with large doses of radiation, and cosmic radiation destroys human DNA. Black holes await in space, which will simply tear a person into molecules. In addition, even in the solar system, extraterrestrial life can be found on natural satellites containing water. He says, my first priority is to warn. This is what the astrophysicist writes about. And this is on Solask. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.